To enable or disable screen reader speak passwords in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap screen reader, tap settings, and then to enable speak password, tap speak password switch until blue, or to disable, tap switch until white. Read out character aloud as you enter your password. Before entering a password, connect headphones or go to a private location so your password won't be overheard. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.